Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pool shock is probably one of the most essential things for any pool owner to keep their water crystal clear and safe for swimming. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pool shock, exploring different types, their pros and cons, and helping you find the perfect product to keep your pool in top condition all season long. Number 5. MAV AquaDoc 16-ounce Spa and Hot Tub Water Clarifier. Is your hot tub water cloudy? This product is designed to quickly clear it up. It's a fast-acting solution to restore the clarity of your spa water. This clarifier not only clears the water but also helps extend the life of your filter. It works like a magnet, attracting tiny particles so your filter can catch them easier. Maintaining balanced pH is crucial for a healthy spa. This product helps you achieve that, ensuring your water stays clean and your spa is in top condition. This spa clarifier is a favorite among hot tub owners. It's an essential spa chemical to keep your water clear and free of dirt and foam. Enjoy your hot tub sooner. Using this product is simple. Just add 2 ounces for every 800 gallons of water while the jets are on, and run the filtration system. Use it twice a week for best results. What we like. This spa clarifier eliminates cloudy water, ensuring a pristine hot tub experience. It also extends your filter's life, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to maintain crystal clear spa water, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Kills algae and bacteria. Works great to clear up a cloudy pool. Easy to use. Number 4. AquaDoc Natural Pool Clarifier. Is your pool looking a little murky? This product is an eco-friendly solution to transform your cloudy pool water into a sparkling oasis, perfect for you and your guests. This fast-acting clarifier quickly clears up your pool. It creates an inviting environment for you and your guests to enjoy. Made with a natural formula, it provides an eco-friendly alternative to traditional chemicals. It's gentle on your skin and the planet. The clarifier binds microscopic particles, allowing your pool's filtration system to work more efficiently. This results in cleaner, clearer water. Whether you have a saltwater, chlorine, in-ground, or above-ground pool, it's designed to work seamlessly. It's the perfect addition to any pool maintenance routine. The 32-ounce bottle comes with simple, step-by-step instructions. It's easy to incorporate into your pool care regimen. What we like. This natural pool clarifier uses an eco-friendly formula to clear your pool water. It enhances your filtration system, resulting in cleaner water. If you are looking for an environmentally conscious way to maintain your pool, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The product effectively cleared up a cloudy pool. It quickly restored the water to a sparkling condition. The product is easy to use and delivers fast results. Number 3. INTEX 12-foot x 30 inches metal frame above ground pool. Get ready for summer fun in just 30 minutes with this pool. It's designed for quick setup, so you can spend less time assembling and more time enjoying the water. This pool features dual suction outlet fittings for improved water circulation. This design helps maintain better water hygiene and clarity, ensuring a refreshing swimming experience. Made with puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, this pool is built to withstand summer fun. It's designed to resist wear and tear, and a patch is included for easy repairs if needed. The innovative T-joint design allows for quick assembly without tools. Simply spread it out on level ground, preferably on top of the ground cloth, setting the metal frame with the T-joints. The included pump filters 530 GPH and incorporates hydroaeration technology. This provides improved circulation, filtration, water clarity, and increases negative ions, ensuring a clean and enjoyable swim. What we like. This above-ground pool is ready for water in just 30 minutes, perfect for quick summer fun. It's made with durable, puncture-resistant material, ensuring it lasts all season. If you like a hassle-free pool setup with a reliable filter, this is a great option. What people say. The product cleared up my cloudy pool water in less than 24 hours. It is easy to use. This product is great for weekly maintenance. Number 2. AquaDoc Non-Chlorine Spa Shock for Hot Tub. Tired of unpleasant stuff in your hot tub? This enhanced non-chlorine shock boosts your chlorine and bromine, extending the life of your sanitizer. It makes your sanitizer more efficient and reduces the strong sanitizer odor. This product helps eliminate chloramines, which cause that heavy chlorine smell. Whether it's a hot tub or spa, this treatment is an effective way to oxidize your spa water. This non-chlorine shock saves you from the harshness of traditional shocks. It helps reduce the chemical smell of both bromine and chlorine sanitizers, making your spa experience more enjoyable. Made with the highest quality standards, this liquid hot tub shock specializes in killing bacteria and preventing chloramine buildup. It's super easy to use and requires no pre-dissolving. With AquaDoc, you're guaranteed consistent, high-quality hot tub chemicals that deliver effective results every time. By choosing this product, you're supporting hardworking Americans. The company is committed to providing top-quality products and exceptional customer service. What we like. This non-chlorine shock reduces the harsh chlorine smell, making your hot tub experience more pleasant. It enhances the effectiveness of your sanitizer, keeping your water clean. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a less chemical-heavy approach, you should consider this. What people say. The product effectively cleared up the pool water. It quickly eliminated algae and bacteria. The product is easy to use. Number 1. AquaDoc Pool Starter Kit. Tired of struggling with pool opening? This product tackles winter debris, making the process easier. It's designed to complement your existing pool opening kit, whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool. This pool opener contains natural enzymes that save you time and energy. The enzymes break down non-living organic materials, helping you achieve clear water faster. It's a simple solution for a sparkling pool. This product works seamlessly with all filter types, including cartridge, DE, and sand filters. It's suitable for all pool types, from in-ground to above-ground and DIY models. You can use it with confidence. Whether you use bromine, chlorine, or saltwater, this product is compatible. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools. It's a versatile solution for any pool owner. This product is proudly made in the USA, adhering to the highest quality standards. You can trust the quality and effectiveness of this product. It's a reliable choice for your pool. What we like. This pool opening chemical uses enzymes to break down debris, making opening your pool a breeze. It works with all types of sanitizers and pool types. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to get your pool ready for the season, it will be a great choice. What people say. The product effectively cleared up a cloudy pool. It quickly restored the water to a clear and swimmable condition. The product is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.